Hey guys, what's up? It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Just decided to switch it up a little bit. Your girl's feeling herself today or whatever because she got fresh relaxer. I'm so happy, and a fresh color. Your girl is back and ready for action. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog barking. He's very excited that I got a relaxer too, obviously. But if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I normally don't act like this, even though I really do. I would love you to stick around here on my channel. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, all types of content here. You will never be missing content from your girl because I do everything. But if any of that interests you, I would love for you to subscribe and join the family. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a like if you like relaxer, hair care type of videos. I know you guys love them, so you better like this video because I know you like them. So why aren't you liking it right now? Exactly. But if you guys would like to see my relaxer update, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty guys, so my last relaxer was Halloween in October. I think it was actually the day before Halloween. I don't know how many weeks that is. I never prepare for these videos. I'm so sorry. So let us see. It has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 weeks. Yikes. I didn't not relax for any particular reason. I just honestly didn't feel I had to. I wasn't like really I wasn't feeling like, oh, like my line of demarcation is too much, like my hair is too much to handle. Honestly, my hair, I could have gone like another 2 weeks if I'm being honest. I think I have just really learned how to manage my new growth, and it makes, stretching my relaxers so much easier. I have really learned like what my hair likes and what works for me every wash day, and I've just been sticking to that routine. Trying, of course, new products here and there for you guys, which I love to do, and I'm never gonna not do that. So, but I think just like my pre-poo routine, my wash, my shampoo and condition routine, my deep condition routine has like really been like down packed now. So I know how to treat my hair and how to get it to behave the way that I want it to. So I think that has a lot to do with how I was able to stretch my relaxer for so long. I honestly didn't even notice that my relaxer took that long because one, I literally just let my hair be. Like I really didn't straighten it. I would sit under the dryer with the curlers and everything, and then I would just wrap it up, and then it would just be straight for the week. And then once I was tired of it being straight, I would literally just put it in a bun and go about my day. Moisturize and seal. I think that is a lot to do with my length. Like I really stuck to my moisturize and seal routine. Did you guys see I switched my part too? I look so much more adult, I feel like, with the side part. My middle part makes me look like I feel like a little younger, but the side part, I'm like here for business. Jessica Noelle is here. I used to wear my hair in the side part all the time when I was younger, but we're back. We're better than ever. So what was I saying? So I think that the combination of me having my wash day routine down and the fact that I was moisturizing, sealing, and wrapping my hair every single night, literally, I think there might have been 2 or 3 nights where I didn't put something on my hair. I won't say that I wrapped it every night because that's a lot for you, girl. I always put on a bonnet, though. I find that even if my hair is just like out crazy in the bonnet, as long as I have on the bonnet, my hair knows how to act, once I take the bonnet off. Like I said, do I wrap it every day? Absolutely not, because that's just not realistic, especially like nights when I come home late, nights where, I'm not at my best, those are nights where I just, I'll throw on the bonnet and everything is fine. Like, as long as I get my bonnet on, we're in business. You know what I mean? So I think that has a lot to do with my growth and the health of my hair as well. I also mentioned in the beginning of the video that I do dye my hair black. I use a semi-permanent dye, and I do jet black. I don't do blue black or anything like that. I might do blue black next time. I was kind of thinking about it this time, but I wasn't too, I didn't want to experiment right now. So, my hair is naturally like a light brown, blondish color. If you look back at a few videos, the videos prior to October, my hair is like a light brown. I have natural blonde highlights if I'm out in the sun. For a really long time, my hair goes very, very, very blonde. If you guys are wondering, I am African American. I get that question a lot. If I'm Dominican and everything like that, I am not. I'm 100% black. I'm just very light skinned. My parents are very light skinned. I don't have one. I'm not mixed white and black. My parents are both black. So yeah, I get that question a lot, especially since dyeing my hair if I'm Dominican or Puerto Rican or Latina of some kind. But I'm not. I can't speak Spanish, but I understand Spanish. Like, if you speak Spanish to me, I'll be able to respond to you in English, but I can't speak Spanish back to you. I know, it's an awful habit. I should really break it. But, moving on, the health of my hair. Like I said, I don't know what color my hairstylist uses, because she does it in the back. It's just a jet black color. She does it the same. I dyed my hair black three or 4 years ago, and it's a semi-permanent color. I don't do permanent color because I do get relaxer. You can't do permanent color and relaxer. It's not good for your hair, so there's a fact. Like I said, it's just black, straight black, not blue black. I think that's all I have to say about the color. For my relaxer, I use the Firm Relaxer Extra. Well, my hairstylist uses the Firm Relaxer. I don't do my own relaxer. She uses a Firm Extra Strength Relaxer in the purple and white container. She uses 2 containers because my hair, I say this in every relaxer update, is super thick. My new growth, I don't know who she thinks she is, but she be coming in thick with 2 C's, okay? Like, I don't even know. I guess, like, I don't even realize it anymore because I have such a good handle, like I said, on my wash days and my new growth and everything, that I don't really even recognize how thick my new growth is until they're putting on the relaxer. And I'm like, oh my God. Like, they're, like, combing it through to make my hair straight because my new growth is just something serious. My hair in general is just thick, not even just my new growth. Like, even when I get my relaxer, like, I feel like with a lot of people, when they get relaxers, like, their hair just looks like, you know, like, and my hair never looks like that. It always has, like, body and volume to it because my hair is thick, which I'm very, very thankful for. I got it from my dad. But, yeah, so my hair is super thick. She uses 2 containers. She does the 3 sections, like a front, a middle, and then like the bottom section. She doesn't base my whole scalp. She just bases my edges and my parts because I have a really thick scalp as well. It takes a lot for me to feel burning with a relaxer, honestly. Like, I don't remember the last time I felt burning with a relaxer, so I can hold my relaxer. They always have to ask me, like, you know, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, like, I'm fine, like, nothing's going on. Like, by the time they wash it out, I'm, like, maybe feeling, like, a little bit of tingling, but, like, barely, like, anything where I have to, like, run to the, wash bowl or whatever. So, yeah, a firm relaxer, what else? I know she uses Nexus Humectress to wash my hair. I'm not sure what neutralizing shampoo she uses because my head is obviously in the bowl and I don't see it. But next time I'll try and look. I didn't get a trim or anything. I really don't think I needed one. I think next time I go, I'll definitely go and get a trim. Or if I go and get like a wash and set or my color touched up, I'll get a trim then. I sat under the dryer and then she does the Dominican blowout on my hair once I'm done with the rollers. And yeah, that's really it. I'm loving my hair. I'm loving how it's growing, how healthy it is. It just looks so good. So nice. I'm just really thankful for the growth. Okay, so this is my hair from the front, obviously. If I pull it, it's like, it's definitely past my collarbone now because my collarbone is right here. So my hair hits there. So it's not quite to my boob. Like, my boob is obviously down here, but my hair hits right there. And then I'll go ahead and turn around for you guys so you can see if I don't get stuck first. So this is what it looks like from the back. So my hair hits about, am I bra strap length, you guys? Okay, let me not get dramatic. Hold on. I don't think I'm quite bra strap length, although it's touching my bra. I think maybe like another like, oh, I don't know if you guys could even see my hair. Wait, hold on. Okay, let me see. So that's the length. It looks really, really nice. Hopefully you guys could see it because I can't see, obviously. But I don't think I'm quite bra strap length yet. But it is definitely getting longer and I love it. I'm trying to grow my hair out to, I want to say, here. It's like right above my nipples. Right here. And I think that that will be like the perfect length for me. So we'll get there. So when my hair is here, go back to this video and be like, you did it, girl. So yeah, that is really it for my relaxer update. I don't have any setbacks, any problems, any issues. I don't think I do. Everything's pretty lit over here. But yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, definitely leave them down below. I'm very, very satisfied with my relaxer. As per usual, my hairstylist is amazing. Hi Sula, if you're watching, I know that you are. I don't give out her information just because of safety, but she's great. Like, if you live in the New York area and you want her number, hit me up. But, you know, I'm not just going to be out here because people are crazy. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, girl, because it's really lit over here. So that's all you need to know. I hope that you guys are doing well. And I don't think I have anything else to say, except I love you, girls. And I'll talk to you in my next video very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah.